Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a swagger alternative rock guitar. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So what is it about? I just found this really cool riff, and it's when you come to the jam session or so and you want to show off, I'm the cool dude, do something really simple with simple chords, but so cool and so laid back that you're the guy of the scene. And so on. You agree, it's really a cool thing here. And the coolest thing of all this is it's a regular easy progression, like A, 2, 3, 4 to C and G. A, 1, 3 to F, G. It's really extremely simple, but the vibe and the chords which I found out for you, they're really awesome. Let's check them out. Alright guys, as I said, basically it's A, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, to G, C on 1 and switch to G on 2 and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I ended up with F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And a little single note line. So that is too simple, it doesn't sound cool. Now we spice it up with 1. So we start with A5, 1, and then slide up in the 5th here, and then slide up and back, and you go back to A5, and then you attack again. So 1, 1, see, 1, and then we go to a C, but the C is a C sus2. Here the ring finger in the 3rd on the B string, and middle finger on the A string 3rd, and the rest is open string. And then this is the C, and then we switch to G, just go down with the middle finger, index finger, and the 2nd fret, A string. So, and then 1. So 1. 1, 2. And then the same again. And now there comes a really cool one. You have to grab it like this. Index in the 1st, and then all open string. A string is damped. Well, it does not need to be. And then get back to the G. And this is a F sus2 at 13. Really cool sound too. And then the whole thing again. And then 1, 1, 2. You start with the bass, 1, 2, 1 and 2, and then 1, 2, and then hammer on here in the 3rd fret on the E string, and then It's really simple. 3rd fret, and then 3 and pull off to 0. That gives you the time to switch back to the chord. See? And that's the whole thing. The point is to play it cool, laid back and relax, and then you're the guy on the scene, you know? I'm gonna show you now with the backing track. Yo, and on the sound setting, this time I'm using just my cheap tube head, Blackstar tube head, 1 watt tube head, and no effects at all, just spring reverb. And I'm here on the neck pickup. It sounds cooler than on the other one. That's too aggressive. This way you get this really juicy sound, you know. And try to play it really laid back, you know. Don't push, don't be in front of the beat, be a little bit too late, and then you're really the cool guy. So that will be the riff now. Now, if you want to play solo to that thing, keep it as simple as possible, but you still follow the chords. How do you do that? I'll show you. So you make the regular pentatonic licks like this one is really cool. Here, Pinky, we play A minor pentatonics. Pinky in the 8, ring finger in the 7, then double stop. Release, the pinky stays, you make the bending. And then when it comes to C, you make, this is the upper part of C. And G, 5th, 3rd, 5, 5. When it goes to F, we want to have that sus2 vibe, and in this case we make this one here, 3rd fret, D string, open G string, and 1st fret B string. And for the G we just press the G string in the 2nd fret, open D string, open B string. These are the chords which we're using, and in between just simple pentatonics. I'm going to show you. Yo, that works really good, and I always, when you do the chords, always make this slide in here. See? here. Just simple. And the rest just the very normal pentatonic licks, you know. This one here, or whatever you know. Yeah, and that's really a cool thing to do, and then you're gonna really sound cool. And the best thing of all this, when you come to a jam session, you mostly don't have your own equipment there. You always they always give you the crappy amp, you know. Like in this case, I have a crappy amp here. That's the one which I use to show crappy amps. And you know, just amps, no reverb, or just cheap reverb. No effects at all, and you need to do something on the fretboard, which sounds cool, you know. And you have a slight distortion, but not a really fat distortion. And you need to do something, and that's what you can do. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this swagger alternative rock guitar tutorial. It's really a cool thing, simple chords with some simple tricks, and you're gonna sound like, whoa, what is this guy doing? And you don't even have effects or something special. It's just your work here on the guitar. It's like the puristic approach, you know, just a cheap amp, guitar, that's it, and you're gonna sound great. And just get into this laid back vibe, and that's gonna be really cool. Yeah. What more to say? If you want to download the backing track to play along with that one, and the tabs of the riff, is available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there with a free member account, but to download the stuff you need a premium member account, but join there anyway, because that's my only social media feed I'm doing now. So it's all of my information which you probably want to know about my artistic work. You find it there, and yeah. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye, and see you next time.